Neutralization. This reaction is a special kind of double displacement reaction. We decided to go ahead and give it its own category because it's so special. But it really is very, very much like a double displacement reaction. Now, there are two types of neutralization reactions we want you to know. One is the classic acid plus a base gives you salt plus water. The second one is the reaction of a carbonate plus acid. When you have a compound with carbonate in it and you add acid, what you get is you get the salt, which is an ionic compound, carbon dioxide, and water. So a couple of things you're looking for here. If there's an acid as a reactant, it's a good indication that it's going to be a neutralization reaction. Now that's not 100%, but most likely it will be neutralization. Another thing to look for is any carbonate compound. Now carbonate's a polyatomic ion, CO3, so any ionic compound with carbonate, there's a good chance that it's going to be an acid-base reaction with a carbonate compound. The other thing you're looking for is water. Both of the acid-base reactions produce water, so that's a clue. So here's a couple of examples. Here's the demo that I did in class where you had hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide. When those two react, you get NaCl, which is the quote-unquote salt, the ionic compound, and you get water. And if you look in the picture on the left, you can see that it's more than 1,000 milliliters because you actually get 18 milliliters of water from the reaction. The one below is the baking soda and vinegar reaction, which is also the classic volcano reaction that I showed you earlier in the intro movie. So when you react baking soda, which is a carbonate compound, with vinegar's HC2H3O2, same thing as acetic acid, what you get is sodium acetate and carbon dioxide and water. So this is a neutralization reaction. In lab, you're going to actually do one of each of these. So you'll get a chance to see them and to write the chemical reactions for both of these neutralization reactions. And that's the end.